Welcome to ST Academy. Let us discuss about a model paper of English Inter second year. Most of the students they are eagerly waiting to know what is the model paper of English second year. So this is the model paper. Let us see the first section. As we know that we have annotation. The annotations are given here A, B, C, D. I request the students, the questions which are given in the model paper, read those lessons only because those lessons are very important. Check the questions which belongs to which lesson or which poetry or poem, read those questions only. This is my special request for each and every students, those who are eagerly or waiting to know how much marks we can get in English to practice those questions. I request you once again, please go through these questions, read the lessons, summaries, and poem and poetry of those questions which are given here. Read all those lessons. Definitely, you will get good marks in your exam. I am hoping that you will get a good marks. Annotations are given for us. Question number 2 is in section A, question number 2, A, B, C, D. Section C, sorry, in question number 3 in section A, write any two of the following: A, B, C, D. The options are increased. Next, question number 4, two questions, any two questions out of A, B, C, D. Next is question number 5, A, B, C, D. Describe the condition in which alka live. All these are very important questions. Read the lessons of those questions. Next, let us go to the section B of English paper inter second year. We know that in section B we have passages. Just read the passages, answer the passages. It's very simple. And seventh questions is also very simple. Passage, answer any 4 questions from the passage, read the passage and answer the question. Next is question number 8 from session B. Advertisement is given. Just seeing the advertisement you have to answer the questions. Next, question 9 is pie chart. They will give you a pie chart. From that pie chart you have to answer the questions. Next is section C, very important section C, that is punctuation. 8 punctuation marks, very important. Question number 11, match the meaning. The meanings are given, you have to match those meanings. Question number 12, idioms and phrases. Using this 1 to 6, you have to make the phrases of those words which are given here. Using the idioms and phrases, you have to form the sentence. And the question number 13, make 4 meaningful sentences by using the verbs. 14 is fill in the blanks. This is a very easy question. Just you have to fill the blanks. The blank form is given. Just you have to submit the detail which are given. Next, 15 is you have to prepare a resume or a curriculum vitae by seeing the advertisement which is appear in the newspaper. Question 16 is write a process, describing a process of making a tea, how to make a tea for 2 people, or you can write a paragraph describing a process on making a flower bouquet, or short para describing how you book a railway ticket. At the next question is very important, write a letter to your principal or letter to the editor. Question number 18 is a very important question, that is make notes. If you know reading the paragraph, just make a note. Definitely this will fetch you good marks. Stress word is a new topic for you people. Stress word. Next is 28 is dialogue writing. This is a brief or a complete model paper of English language. Practice each and every questions. Once again I will tell you, for the section 1 or session A, that gives more marks, that is the annotation and answers. I request student to read those lessons which questions are given in annotation. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5, because annotation is those that gives you maximum. Because part B and part C is very simple, you can easily do, but most of the marks which depends on the answers and the annotations which are given in the question paper. Most of the students, they lose marks due to the annotation and answer, because grammar part definitely will get good marks. But for this annotations, I request once again, read all those summaries, practice each and every questions, definitely you will get good marks. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, I request you to subscribe to our channel and to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We are going to upload all the videos, all the model papers, all the blueprints in our next video. At the same time, we will give you the guest papers of MPC, BIPC and CC. Thanks for watching.